Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to become a Curri driver. Let's get started. So for you to be able to become a Curri driver, this is what you need to follow. You must meet the following criteria. First, the age requirement. So you must be at least 18 years old to become a Curri driver. Next is the identification. So you want to possess a valid taxpayer identification number or TIN or TIN, social security number or SSN, or the employer identification number or EIN. Next, the auto insurance. So maintain a current auto insurance policy that meets the requirement of your state. Next, the driver's license. So this is the most important thing that you must have to become a current driver, which is the current valid US driver's license. And lastly, the background check. You must successfully pass the Curri's background check. Please do note that the provisional license does not fulfill Curri's driver's requirements. Curri runs checks on both motor vehicles and criminal records when engaging a new driver. Once you pass that, you'll now become a Curri driver. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.